actually making a video of the whole bus, and he's walking with the camera, so he'll remember if someone got in trouble. This is our seat, TV, quite big, and has a charger. And it's just 4 hours, and there is a toilet right at the end of the bus. So after 4 hours of the bus, I finally arrived to Ecom. It's basically very close to Huacachina, to Oasis, and I took the taxi. This is in the taxi, and we're driving there. This is the sand dunes, and it costs just 10 sols, so it's basically around like $3. And yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Never been in a desert before. Checked into my Eco Camp hotel, which is in Oasis, and sand dunes right behind me. There is a problem with the light because I am in the middle of the desert, and it's so nice, so cool. There's a lot of music going on and so relaxing. And what's cool, well, not so cool, but like the toilets is right behind me, so they're like common, so we have to share. But what's cool is that I'm sleeping in a real tent, and that's the one that is right behind me. So I'm entering my tent. Hello. So there are 2 beds, one for me and one for my hottest lover. So sexy, so nice. You can't imagine. Also me. You have 2 beds. And probably my, oh, it's a little bit hot here. It's not a little bit, it is quite hot here, because compared to Lima, where it's like 2019, it's 25 right now, and I'm a little bit sweating. There is like a big fan that is gonna be my hottest, actually. Maybe that would be like my hottest secret lover. But I think the choice of my shoes is not the greatest one, and I'm gonna tell you why. Yeah, since I'm in a desert, everywhere is sand. I didn't consider that, and I'm gonna go to sandbagging also with these shoes, so it's gonna be a little bit gray. And this place costs just $30 a night, so it's not that much that you can break the bank, but it's of course more expensive than the hostel. But it has pool, and I'm sweating right now. I'm in leggings, like in a t-shirt, and I'm gonna go for a swim after. I'm gonna eat my chicken and avocado salad. Yes, they do have it, Peru, I love you. And I'm gonna go, oh, first time I actually have a bar, kind of almost like in the middle of the pool, because I'm not a party girl, so I don't go to many of these places. And I'm very excited to transfer to my swimsuit, because everyone's gonna be looking at me because I'm so sexy. I'm going to do the sandboarding right now. Yes, how exciting it is. I'm gonna be sliding on the sand. This is so cool. I don't have a proper clothing for that, so I'm gonna be how to say it in a proper way, very dirty after that, because I have like a pink light t-shirt and have like white running shoes. But let's do it. It's like a proper snowboard, and you go on a snowboard and you slide down the sand. This is so exciting. Never done that before. Okay, do you remember how I was happily jumping around my tent because I was so happy to stay here? So it's a night time and it's +15 outside, meaning +15 in a tent, and I'm not a cold sleeper, like it's plus 25. And so here's my bed. Here's another bed. As you can see, there is no blankets because it's all in my bed, and this is additional blanket that I just asked. Yes, I'm in shorts because I don't have anything else to wear. The other things are still dirty after the sandboarding, so it's wet. And so I have, look, 1, 2, that's another blanket, that's the second blanket, 2, 3, 4, 5 blankets, and I'm sleeping in my winter fall jacket. I'm not a winter girl.